Hello guys, good evening. From today I have started a new series of video which is related to accounting cycle because many of our friends who asked me please make the video on trading accounts, on PL accounts, trial balance, balance sheet, etc. So I have decided to make the video on accounting cycle. So guys, I want to tell you that accounting cycle will be covered your all requirements. So in this video I will tell you the brief introduction of accounting terminology like this one. These are some of the basic questions you must know, what is account, what is accounting, how many types of accounts, how many types of accounting, what are the basic assumptions or concept of accounting, what is the accounting cycle, and what are the process of accounting cycle. So let me start from the first one. So simply, the account is a report or description of an event or experience. It is a record or a statement of financial expenditure or receipt, like rent paid to landlord, purchase goods on cash, salary paid to staff, etc. Now the second one is, what is accounting? So accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to various users, including management of the company, stockholders, creditors, financial analysts, and government agencies. Basically, there are two types of users: the internal users and the external users. Internal users means like BOD, management of the company, employees, staffs, etc. And the external users could be stakeholders, government agencies, bondholders, brokers, and other external users. Okay. Now the third one is how many types of accounts. So on the basis of traditional method of account, there are three types of account: personal account, real account, and nominal account. Real account and nominal account are also known as impersonal account. But on the basis of modern method of account, there are five types of account: assets account, liabilities account, capital account, income account, and expenditure account. Okay. Now the fourth one is how many types of accounting. So basically there are various types of accounting. Those types are determined based on the nature of the information analyzed, summarized, reported, and on the functions performed. Okay, so some of them are like financial accounting, public accounting, government accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, cost accounting, internal auditing or accounting, forensic accounting, etc. Now the fifth one is what are the basic assumption or concept of an accounting. Okay, so these are the basic assumption or concept of accounting. The first one is business entity concept, second one is money measurement concept, third one is going concern concept, fourth one accounting period concept, fifth one cost concept, sixth one realization concept, seventh one matching concept, and the last and eighth one dual aspect concept. Okay, these are also called GAAP concept. GAAP is the short form of generally accepted accounting principle, which is made by IASC. It stands for International Accounting Standards Committee, was founded in June 1923 in London and was replaced by the IASB International Accounting Standard Board on 1st April 2001. It was responsible for developing the international accounting standards and promoting the use and application of these standards. Okay, now we have the sixth one is what is accounting cycle. So accounting cycle is collective process of identifying, analyzing, and recording the accounting events of a company. These series of steps begin when a transaction occurs and end with its inclusion in the financial statement. Okay, now we have the last one is what are the process of accounting or accounting cycle. Okay, so this image represents the process of accounting or accounting cycle. The first one is identifying the transaction. Second one is post to journal entry. Third one, prepare ledger account. Fourth one, prepare the trial balance. Fifth one, identifying the adjustments. Sixth one, prepare the adjustment entries. Seventh one, post to the adjustment entry. Seventh one, prepare the adjusted trial balance. Eighth one, prepare the financial statement. And the ninth one is analyze the financial results. Okay, these steps are unadjusted, whereas these four steps are adjusted step. Okay, and this is the financial statement and this is the financial result step. Okay, we will more discuss each step of accounting cycle in every single video. Okay, so guys, now let me present our next plan. We will go forward based on this criteria in next video. Okay, so this is our plan which will be used in next video. Before preparation of financial statement or before use of accounting cycle, we have to know these four things. Okay, like what is the nature of accounting, and what is the nature of industry, what is the nature of business, and what is the nature of ownership. Okay, so for example, suppose any company which is related to financial accounting data, and that company is related to service industry, and that company is doing trading types of business, and that company is registered with private limited company. Okay, so we have to know at least four things to follow the accounting cycle. Okay, so this is our basis which will be used and explained in next video tutorial. Okay, so guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and click on notification bell for quick updates. If you have any query, please ask me in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.